The third step in filling the library is adding questions that you are going to ask in this project or in the other projects across your account. So let's click here in questions. And then we see here the questions that comes from natively from ClimMob. Some questions related to the package, some ones about the crop evaluation, for example, yield, the overall characteristics, and others about farmer information, so the information that are going to be used to contact the farmer. And here we are going to create two questions, one about one information to contact the farmer, and the other one about crop evaluation. The first type of question is this one, so let's say create a new question for farmer evaluation. And then I will add the variable code. Variable code is basically the same idea as your ID or as your logging information, so it's a plain text without any space. So we want here, for example, one variable that's for telephone. So let's say farmer telephone, and then telephone number is the variable name. The type of question will be the type of text, so you can add for example special characters, or for example if you want to add country code with the plus. So let's keep it free, but you can also choose between of these options, for example decimal, integer, or the other options that are available here. And this will go to the category farm information, and the kind of here is something related to if the question is required when you add it to the survey. So if you put yes, this means that you cannot go away with your survey without answering this question. So let's say that not all farmers have a telephone number, so let's put here no. And then the question asked is, what is your telephone number? And then I save it, and here I have the question, telephone number, in the group farmer information. I will add a new question related to crop evaluation. So since we are working with beans, so let's say that I want one information about pest resistance. So I will create here one question, and will be pest resistance. And the variable will be resistance to pests, and it will be one kind of ranking option. So this is like the tricot questions, and the category will be crop evaluation. This is the answer is required, so let's put also as a no, so it doesn't need to be answered, this question. And these are the two kinds of questions that are going to be done to the farmers. One is for the positive, and the other one is for the negative evaluation. Which variety? Here we also have one example. So which variety gave you more yield? Which variety gave you less yield for the kind of yield? So let's say for pest resistance, we can say which variety is more resistant to pests, and which variety is less resistant to pests. And then we save it, and there you have. I will also add another question related to the community of the farmer. And what's the community? So let's say we create a new one. The name is farmer community. It will be type text, and will be a required question. And what is your community? Community, I mean, like, can be also village, so, or it could be community or village. And now we have 3 questions that we added to our library.